Hey guys, it's Aaron with Joe's Game Electronics back with another repair video on the Xbox Series S. Today we'll be replacing the Sync Button PCB, which sits back here. There's a little sensor under here that syncs to your controller. We're going to be replacing that whole PCB, and we usually replace this if this button is broken or your console is not pairing for some reason. So let's get started. First things first, you're going to want to flip the console over on the back side where all the ports are. And there's going to be these two little covers. I've already taken them off. But these two little covers, they sit on top here. All you do is pull it off, both of them, exposing two screws. I'm going to grab my drill here and unscrew these screws. Once that's done, I'm going to want to pull this up, pop it off, put it to the side. Now you're going to see these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 green screws. You're going to want to unscrew all 7 of them. Once they're all unscrewed, you're going to want to flip the console back over another time. And the way I do is I pull on these two little edges. Just be a little careful, and you can push down, pull and push, and it comes right up. Now, put the top cover to the side. Sometimes these buttons will actually break themselves, but it's very, very rare. So these buttons sometimes will go bad. But for this, in this case, we will be replacing this PCB here. This PCB has a little sensor and the button. Sometimes people will bash the button too hard and it just breaks right off. I don't know how it happens, but it happens. So to take it off, you're going to use that same drill bit you used earlier to unscrew the rest of the screws, and you're going to unscrew these 3. You're going to put those 3 screws to the side. And all you're going to do is pull upwards on this. Just upwards. Be careful. It'll have a little bit of pullback, but as long as you pull straight upwards, you won't break anything. We're going to put this to the side, and I'm going to grab another one. We do sell some of the parts on our website. We will be selling more shortly. We do service this if you think this repair is too difficult for you. Visit www.joesg.com or the links in the description, and it'll take you right to our service page and our parts page. So you're going to grab your new your sync button, and you're going to plug it in and screw it in here. You don't want to over tighten any of these, so I just go right till it's tight. Once it's tight, you're going to grab your top cover one more time. I can just put it in, grab these 2 edges, make sure it seats all in properly. Once you grab those 2 edges, make sure it's all working with the buttons. They're all lined up. You're going to grab those 7 screws you unscrewed earlier and put them back in there. And screw them in. Lastly, you're going to grab this bottom cover. Honestly, if you just set it down, it will literally sit in place. Push it forward. You got the 2 screws on the back here that you want to screw in. Again, don't screw it in too tight. Once that is done, you want to put your little covers back on. I won't, because this console is for video purposes. But once that's done, you now have a new PCB and your sync button should be working. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, comment below. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks again. Have a good day.